Buy some ripe strawberries from the market. Strawberries which have brown to black seeds are perfect for our use. Strawberry seeds are located on the skin of the fruit. You can harvest them in order to plant your own strawberries. Peel the strawberry skin with a sharp knife. Don't cut too deeply into the fruit. Be very careful not to harm yourself. Lay these strips seeds up on a piece of clean tissue paper. Gently press the skins down into the tissue paper. Spread the skins on a tissue paper and leave them to dry. Put them in full sun for 2 to 3 days to dry out. After 3 days, skins are completely dry, and at this stage we can easily extract seeds from them. Gently rub the seeds off with your fingers. As you run your finger over the skin, the seeds will come loose. Now take a medium-sized pot with drainage holes at the bottom. Cover the holes with the small stones for effective drainage. To start the seeds, we will use a mix of 70% coco peat and 30% compost. It is better to mix 1 tablespoon fungicide powder in the mix to avoid any rot problems. Now fill the pot with the soil mix. Press the soil mix with your hand to make an even surface. Now sprinkle the strawberry seeds over the soil surface. Cover the pot with a plastic wrap. Wrap will keep the moisture intact and will help the seeds to remain moist until they germinate. Keep the pot in full sun. Strawberry seed germination can take as little as 12 days or as many as 30 to 35 days, so be patient with them. Remove the plastic wrap once the seeds starts to germinate. Once the seedlings are of this size, you can transplant them into individual cells for healthy growth. Water well after transplanting. Seedlings are ready to be transplanted once they have grown 3 to 4 true leaves. Six to 8-inch diameter pots are good enough for planting. Make sure they have proper drainage holes at the bottom. Cover drainage holes with the small stones. Stones will allow water to drain freely while holding the potting soil in. For the final planting, we will use a mix of 50% garden soil, 30% compost, and 20% coco peat. Fill the pot with the soil mix. With the help of a gardening tool, gently take out the seedlings by keeping the root ball undisturbed. We will plant one seedling per pot. This way they will have enough room to grow freely. Make a hole in the center that is deep and wide enough for the roots. Place the root ball into the hole. Now cover the roots with soil. Make sure that the crown should remain above the soil surface. Plant all the seedlings in the same manner. Firm the soil around the stem with your fingers to provide support. After planting, water the plants immediately. Keep the pots in direct sun and add water whenever soil starts to dry up. Strawberries need 5 to 7 hours of direct sunlight for healthy growth, and 8 to 24 degrees Celsius is the ideal temperature range for them. After every 18 to 20 days, add fertilizer to boost plants' growth. Make a hole away from the stem and add half tablespoon mustard cake powder into it. You can also use NPK and other fertilizers. Fruit is typically ready for harvesting 3 to 4 weeks after flowering. As soon as strawberries turn red, you can harvest them. Just cut by the stem, do not pull the fruit or you could damage the plant. Harvest strawberries as soon they turn red and ripe. Strawberries that sit on top of the soil too long will rot. And if the birds are beating you to the harvest, consider installing bird netting over your plants.